hope you're having a great day. So we had a great weekend celebrating Nate's birthday, and now it's Monday and it's back to work. This week is pretty chilly. Highs are in the 50s. I think lows are in the 40s though, so no freezing temps. And then I think like this weekend it gets up to like 78 on one of the days, and it's in the 70s. So it's starting to get a lot nicer. Today, just because it is chilly and cold, it is pretty cloudy and overcast. I'm going to pick some tulips. Then I'm going to get out to the farm and I'm going to probably harden some stuff off. It's kind of chilly for it, so I don't know yet. I haven't decided because it's happy under the grow lights too, and then in 1 week it's really warm. So I don't know, maybe I could get some yarrow in the field or something. But I was actually going to try to mow like the dog park area and around my field. The grass is getting pretty tall, so I'm going to get out there and mow. And then I was thinking of moving some of my lavender over to the rows that I want them moved to. And I also need to move delphinium. So I doubt I can get all of that done today, but I'm going to try. So right now I'm just going to go up here and I'm going to pick whatever tulips I can, get them in the cooler for the week. I have some orders definitely going out this weekend, and hopefully I get some more during the week. So I'm just going to get to it. I got a lot of it mowed. My dad usually does around the house, so behind me isn't really done. But I did my field and around the dog park and got a lot of stuff done, and now it's starting to sprinkle on me. But I'm considering going and running and trying to maybe put in some Snapdragons. It's supposed to rain. It might break them off, but I haven't pinched them, so that probably wouldn't hurt them. I have a tray of them. And then I do have yarrow, and since it's supposed to like rain for the next 3 or 4 days, it's not going to be like real sunny or anything. And I already had put them in the bright sun for 3 days in the morning, never in the afternoon. But I think that that's probably enough that they could take the field. So I'm considering just going out and doing that instead of digging up all the lavender and stuff. Reason being because I have to, like, as I pull up the lavender, I need to pull up the black stuff because it's kind of holding it down, and then I pull it through. And if it starts raining a lot, I don't want it to wash away all of the dirt. So I think putting the seedlings in is probably a better option for today. I'll flip you around, show you my mode. I didn't weed eat yet. I usually weed eat every other week because it's not like it's in town, and it's, you know, it's not as big a task as it used to be. The more fences that come down seem to be a little bit less weed eating, but around the trees and stuff like that we usually do. But it looks a lot better. I have my mowing cut out for me this year around all these little fields on my little snapper. So I did this section, and then I do over there and up by the pond so that we have a pathway, and then I did up around this backyard part in this little side yard, but I didn't get to all of that over there. So I am feeling a few raindrops, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and get to it. Could go out too, so I think I'm gonna go put them in the row next to all the other anemones. I don't even know which ones these are. I think I just potted them up to see what would happen. I don't see any labels in there. So some of my other anemones are coming up here and doing well. The first little row of them hasn't done as well. So I just think I'm just gonna go right next to these with it. I don't care too much. I'll know when they bloom, right? They're already forming some like really nice roots on them. We'll see how those do. It's supposed to rain tonight, so normally I don't plant stuff when it's like real muddy, but it's gonna rain, so hopefully it settles all that mud in and does what it's supposed to. Some of the yarrow I planted decided it wanted to flower already. Now I need to pick all those off. Well, I was thinking about doing my yarrow, but it started to rain and I looked at the forecast and it's gonna rain for like the next 3 hours. It's really light rain right now. I want to get my plants in the ground. It's good to get them in right before it rains. But I don't know if I want to be in a torrential downpour with everything while it's raining. So maybe I'll take all my plants inside that were hardening off, and if it's not raining too bad, I might throw in a row and give you an update if I do it, because I don't want to take all my equipment out there and then have it start pouring on me. I can't wait to get everything in. It looks like I need to weed. It's a lot of weeding to do. Okay, I grabbed 2 trays of yarrow. I'm gonna try to get them in. My other yarrow is looking pretty good. Some of them don't look good, but I put some that didn't look good in. The rest of it's looking pretty good. Yay! I made it to the very end. That's the end of my row. So it's all the way full of yarrow, all the way to the top where there are hollyhocks that need dug out. Yarrow from last year. So to right here, it looks like. Right here. So just that much is all I have left. I am gonna have to dig out those hollyhocks to put that yarrow in though. But that was good. I got 4 trays emptied out and put into the field. So I think, and now I feel the rain coming. So I'm gonna run this stuff inside and I think I'm gonna call it a day. I hope everybody has a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next one.